Hello Casio friends from all over the world. For today's video I would kindly ask to bear with me in trying to fix another Casio. This time I have here a WV200E, which is a wave scepter watch. It seems that this is in a very bad condition. The back cover is literally sticked with adhesive tape, although it has the screws. The strap is kind of worn up. I don't like it. If we take a look on the display, we see nothing. For the moment, I assume that the battery is dead, so this also will have to be replaced. First, I will have to open the case and see the battery type. Before opening it, we see that the back is not properly fixed. Maybe the reason for the tape. Let's take down the tape. I will fast forward during this process. I have checked on the internet and this watch uses a CR1620 battery type. For the interior we see some dust particles, but this is normal taking in consideration that the back was not closed and also the rubber seal is missing. This is no longer a 200-meter water resistant watch. Next, I will take down the straps. It took me for around 3 minutes only to remove the spring bars. And to be honest, I do not like this system. The area for the springs is very narrow and this gives you less space for handling the tool. Also, the strap is clearly not an original Casio and gives me a good reason to search and order a new one. Next, I will take off the battery. Yep, we see that the battery is a CR1632, which is thicker than normal. And now we know why this back does not fit and it had to be sticked with tape.
I have here the battery, so it's a CR1620. Let's try to take it. Okay, let's put it in and see. If the watch works. Oh, for sure it works. It is a Casio. The light, it is not working. So I have this type of screws. I'm not sure if it is visible on the camera. And compared to the old ones, they are longer, way longer. I will try to put them. So this back case, it's not symmetric. We see here that we have some ears and here they are missing. So it goes directly like this. This is good because you cannot put it in a different direction. So it has a poka-yoke system. And I did not get the suitable screwdriver. I will replace it in a few moments. So I'm back again. I will try to now to clean this watch, and this is prior to changing the bracelet. I have ordered them bracelet from the internet, but at this point this did not arrive yet. And now I will start and clean it with some moisture paper. And what I have seen is that after one day we have a blackout in the display, so the watch does not show anything. My guess is that the battery is fell down from its position, and this might be that the cover of the battery fit perfectly. So I will open the watch and see what is in it. So what I have done is replacing this battery. I'm not sure both of them they were new from the same batch. But now I have a problem. The light does not work. Now it works. Yeah, so it's visible, the light, but if I move a little the module, I guess it will lose some contact. I'm not sure what is the reason here. It might be some dirt, or simply the mechanical pusher does not reach the PCB so that it would make contact. I tried to squeeze a little the pusher, hoping that it will work. Okay, yeah, the light still works. Now I will try and put again the case, but I'm not sure that this keeps the battery in its position, so I will try to adjust here a little. So what I have bent a little this side. I hope now it's more visible. Yeah, I have bent it to 90 degrees. It was not 90 degrees. I hope I have fixed the issue. Put again the battery, and yeah, now it stays better, so it's fixed in its position. Let's check again the light. Yeah, I hope you see the light works. And now wish me good luck, because I'm going to put back the case. So with a little bit of luck, the screw head was not completely destroyed, and with a straight screwdriver I managed to tighten it until the end. Okay, now the watch works, and also the light, so I've got everything. Okay, now I will try to clean it a little with moisture the paper, and then we will wait for the bracelet to be shipped. So I have here moisture paper. It will not be a deep clean, but I will try to do it as much as I can. I am long pressing the adjust button. Now I have to set the time zone. So Tokyo. I hope that I go in the right direction. Cairo. Athens. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's go into, this is auto. Daylight saving time is blinking. Off. 12-hour format, 24-hour format, it's okay for me. Okay, this is the second, this is the hours. It is 10 in the evening and 32 minutes. Yeah, it's interesting that while I am adjusting it and press the light button, it does not open. Some low-cost watches yeah, for the timer at least, if you use the light button to stop or to continue the stopwatch, it will open the light. So this will in the end will consume more battery than needed. Okay, this is the year. So in my case, or in our case, is 2024, but it's bad that you have to press each time. Okay, now the month, it's the 3rd, and the date is 12th. Okay, English, it's okay. Let's see what other languages it has. Spanish, French, Portuguese, German, Italian, Chinese, Russian, Japanese, and English. Okay, this is the date format, so we have month and day. I will leave it. It's okay for me. Athens, it's also okay for me. And now I have a complete loop. Okay, so indeed it's Tuesday. It's 10:30 and the 12th of March 2024. Okay, now let's go into this. This is dual time. Yeah, now it's New York City, and here in this small display now shows the time from my time zone. Okay, and now I keep scrolling through different time zones. Yeah, you can see that in Lisbon it is 2 hours earlier than in my time zone. Okay, London again. Then this is the timer. Yeah, for sure. During timer, if I press the light button, it opens. And yeah, but it makes sense because this button does not have anything to do with the timer, so it's okay. Okay, this is the stopwatch. Yeah, start, stop, and reset. Yeah, in lower cost modules, the light button also resets, and while resetting it, the light will open. So the battery management is not very well defined. Okay, and now I guess this is the alarm, and again the main display. I have cleaned a little the watch, replaced the battery. Since I have the caliper here, I will take some measurements. Let's take the diameter. So it is 47.5. And let's take the lug to lug. It's 48 millimeters, the lug to lug, and the height it is 14.2. Interesting that this watch has 16 millimeters the spring bars. Kind of small, but the strap itself, it's quite large, so it's close to 24 millimeters. Yeah, 26 millimeters, the width of the strap. It is a nice watch. I have currently seen that this watch is being retailed with 80 euros. It's not a cheap watch, considering that it has the weight scepters, it has this great illuminating system and other functions with time zones, and it looks also very robust, so it's like a G-Shock. Yeah, maybe for me it's a little bit with a lot of details, but in the end this is the Casio way and the Casio trend. I will just wait for the straps. I am so impatient. So I'm back and the strap has finally arrived. Let me quickly open. Whoa! I thought that it will not be an original Casio band. Oh, I'm so glad. Yep, and it's written, it says here WV200. Well, to be honest, I hope it will fit. Yeah, according to the internet pictures, this would be its strap. I have here the poly watch, the plastic polish. I will probably make a new video in regards cleaning or polishing the display of my old Casios that I have. So for this is 13 euros. Okay, super. I'm so glad that I have it. Yeah, the original Casio band. And it is dedicated for this watch. Oh, it fits perfectly. I hope the owner of this watch will be very satisfied and very happy. I have placed the first spring bar and now it's the second. Okay, now it's fitted, but I do not want to pull because it might be that one head of the spring bar is not correctly inserted in the hole. So I will press it with this tiny tool. Just to make sure it is in its position. I heard a click, so it might be that it is. I have managed to put the bracelet on. I have here the watch working, also the light, and now let's put it on the hand. And see how it fits on my wrist. I have a small wrist, so it is the third hole for me. You can see because my wrist is small. You can see how much spare strap I have. This I do not like, and this buckle does not come until the end because of the design. The video is done. Please let me know in the comments what is your opinion about this watch. Do you like it? Do you recommend it? This is a worn watch, so it was heavily used. This can be seen by the scratches on the display and also by the scratches from the bezel and the case itself. Here it is visible a lot of scratches. Maybe this is the reason why the strap it was broken and I had to buy a new one. For sure the functions of the watch are great, and it is also with multi-band, so it automatically adjusts. The water resistance is quite high. You will never use it, or most of us will never use it. It's okay, this watch. I kind of like it, but it's not for me. Let me guys know in the comments what's your opinion about it, and have a nice day, and thank you for being with me for this video.